You have arrived in Amalfi Coast, Italy. A great city with nice culture. Let's reveal the 10 things to do in Amalfi and go to explore shop on bio. At top 10 is Positano, the iconic vertical town tumbling down to the sea. With its pastel-colored houses stacked like a painter's palette, Positano is a feast for the eyes and the soul. The town's unique layout, clinging to the cliffs, creates a sense of wonder from the very first glimpse. The best way to experience it? Just walk and get lost. Let your feet guide you through winding streets where every corner holds a new surprise. Wander narrow staircases and alleys, discovering boutiques, tiny cafes, and bursts of bougainvillea. Each step brings you closer to the heart of Positano's vibrant daily life. Every turn reveals a new, breathtaking view. Don't rush. The journey is the destination. Pause often to take in the sweeping vistas of the sparkling Mediterranean below. Spot the green and yellow dome of Santa Maria Assunta guiding you through the maze. This iconic landmark is a beacon, drawing you deeper into the town's enchanting labyrinth. Savor the scents of jasmine and the sound of waves echoing up the cliffs. The air is filled with the fragrance of flowers and the gentle hum of the sea, creating a sensory experience you'll never forget. Positano invites you to slow down and soak in every detail. Enjoy a coffee at a sun-drenched terrace, or simply watch the world go by as you relax in this Mediterranean paradise. Put away the map, follow your curiosity, and let the town enchant you. Sometimes the best adventures are the ones you never planned. Peek into artisan shops, climb the prettiest staircases, and enjoy the vibrant spirit. Each shop and staircase tells a story, adding to the town's irresistible charm. It's the perfect introduction to the Amalfi Coast's magic. As the sun sets, the colors of Positano glow even brighter, promising memories that will last a lifetime. The charm is in the small discoveries and the stunning views. Every hidden alley and balcony offers a new perspective on this coastal gem. Let yourself be swept away by this vertical wonder. What a start! Positano is more than a destination, it's an experience that will capture your heart from the very first moment. Top 9 is Amalfi, the historic heart of the coast, where every stone and street tells a story. Once a powerful maritime republic, Amalfi's grandeur is still felt in the lively Piazza del Duomo, the beating heart of the town where locals and visitors gather beneath the Mediterranean sun. The Amalfi Cathedral dominates the square. Climb the grand staircase for a spectacular view, and marvel at the intricate details of its Arab-Norman architecture. Inside, explore the peaceful cloister of paradise and the opulent basilica, each echoing centuries of history, faith and artistry that shaped this remarkable town. Stroll the seaside promenade, watch colorful fishing boats bobbing in the harbor, and feel the town's pulse as the sea breeze mingles with the scent of lemon groves. Venture into the winding alleys behind the square to discover ancient paper mills, a testament to Amalfi's rich tradition of papermaking, and a unique museum that brings this heritage to life. Amalfi is a living town, not just a tourist stop. You'll see locals chatting in bakeries, smell fresh bread wafting from shop doors, and hear the melodic chime of church bells marking the rhythm of daily life. It's a place with soul, where history and daily life blend seamlessly, creating an atmosphere that's both timeless and vibrant. Come for the cathedral, stay for the vibrant atmosphere that fills every corner of this enchanting town. Every corner reveals a new layer of the past, from hidden courtyards to ancient stone streets lined with arches. Amalfi is real, authentic and unforgettable, a place where you can truly feel the spirit of the coast. Discover its stories as you wander, letting curiosity guide you through its labyrinth of history and charm. Amalfi is a true gem of the coast, inviting you to step back in time and experience its magic for yourself. Top 8. See the Amalfi Coast from the water. From a boat, the cliffs and colorful towns are even more dramatic. Join a group tour, hire a skipper or rent a small boat. Any way you do it, it's magical. Glide past Positano, Amalfi and Priano, spotting hidden coves and celebrity villas. Drop anchor in a secluded bay and swim in crystal clear water. The sea is the heart of this region. This experience connects you to its soul. Discover beaches only accessible by boat for a private paradise feel. A boat tour is essential for truly appreciating the coast's beauty. It's not just sightseeing, it's pure bliss. Don't miss it. Top 7 is for adventurers, the Path of the Gods hike. This trail high above the coast offers jaw-dropping views at every turn. Walk from Bomerano to Nocelle, passing vineyards, grazing goats and ancient groves. The panoramas stretch from the peninsula to Capri with towns and boats far below. Up here it's peaceful, just wind, birds and distant bells. It's a spiritual experience connecting you to the wild beauty of the Amalfi Coast. Finish in Nocelle and reward yourself with a fresh lemon granita. Take the steps down to Positano or catch a bus. The path of the gods is more than a hike. It's a pilgrimage for beauty lovers. Every step is worth it for the views and serenity. Feel accomplished and inspired at the end. This is the Amalfi Coast at its most epic. Don't miss this unforgettable trail. Top 6 Ravello, the elegant clifftop town. Famous for its music festival and world-class gardens, Ravello is pure inspiration. Visit Villa Ruffalo, where exotic plants and ancient ruins frame stunning sea views. Wander Moorish cloisters and enjoy the colors of flowers against the blue below. Next, Villa Simbroni's Terrace of Infinity offers one of the world's most breathtaking panoramas. Stand above the cliffs, feeling both small and awed by the beauty. Explore hidden grottos and classical temples in the gardens. Ravello is serene, artistic, and unforgettable. It's a different side of the Amalfi Coast, elegant and peaceful. Food for the soul. Top 5 Talk Food. If you're a food lover, the Amalfi Coast is a dream come true, where every meal is a celebration of local flavors and traditions. The Amalfi Coast's cuisine is a celebration of land and sea. Simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. Try spaghetti alle vongole, frittura di paranza, and let the taste of the ocean transport you. The region's famous lemons add a zesty brightness to everything from salads to limoncello, and you'll find their fragrance in the air wherever you go. Don't miss a caprese salad with creamy mozzarella di bufala or melanzane alla parmigiana, both local favorites that showcase the area's rich produce and culinary heritage. The local pasta, cialatielli, is a must, especially with seafood. Find a family-run trattoria tucked away on a quiet street, let the owner recommend the day's best, and savor every bite. Often, the daily specials are made with ingredients picked that very morning. Enjoy a glass of local wine and eat slowly. Dining here is about relaxing, connecting, and truly tasting each dish. The food here tells the story of the coast, sun, sea, and family. Meals are meant to be shared, and every table feels like a celebration. Lemons are everywhere, especially in the sweet, potent limoncello. It's the perfect way to end a meal, with a sip of sunshine in every glass. The tomatoes and vegetables are incredibly flavorful thanks to the volcanic soil, making even the simplest dishes taste extraordinary. Every meal is an experience, not just a dish. Laughter, conversation, and the joy of sharing food are all part of the tradition. The passion and tradition shine through in every bite, with recipes passed down through generations and prepared with love. This is the heart of Amalfi living. Buon appetito! Here, food is more than sustenance, it's a way of life. Eat, enjoy, and make memories that will last long after your plate is empty. Top 4 Time to relax on the beach. Amalfi's beaches are dramatic coves of pebbles and dark sand nestled beneath cliffs. Marina Grande and Positano is the most famous, vibrant, glamorous, and perfect for people watching. Rent a sunbed, order a drink, and soak in the view of the town and sea. For a quieter vibe, walk to Fornillo Beach, smaller, laid back, and less crowded. Every town has its own beach, from Amalfi's main stretch to hidden coves only reachable by boat or stairs. Discovering a secluded spot feels like finding treasure. The water is clear and refreshing, perfect for a swim. Lay back, listen to the waves, and recharge. A day at the beach is simple, pure joy. It's the perfect way to soak in the coast's natural beauty. Unwind and enjoy. Top 3 The dramatic Fiordo di Furore. This narrow gorge, carved by a river, hides a tiny fishing village and pebble beach at its base. The high-arched bridge above offers dizzying, breathtaking views. Walk down the winding staircase to reach the secluded beach. Surrounded by cliffs, it feels like a secret world, cool, shady, and peaceful. Swim in the emerald water and explore the old fishermen's houses built into the rock. The Fiordo is a photographer's dream and a reminder of nature's power. It's a unique, unforgettable spot on the coast. Not a big town, but a must-see for its wild beauty. Discover this hidden wonder. Top 2 The Grotta dello Smeraldo, or Emerald Grotto. Take an elevator or boat to this marine cave, then board a rowboat for a magical ride. Inside, sunlight filters through the water, creating an intense emerald glow. Marvel at the stalactites, stalagmites, and the quirky underwater nativity scene. The guides share stories and point out shapes in the rock. The tour is short but unforgettable. The silence and glowing water feel mystical. It's a hidden jewel, less crowded than Capri's Blue Grotto. Experience a natural light show you'll never forget. The Emerald Grotto is pure wonder. Top 1 Vietri sul Mare, the capital of artisan ceramics. The town is alive with color. Ceramic tiles cover domes, facades, and even benches. Wander through countless shops and workshops, each filled with hand-painted treasures. Watch artists at work painting traditional designs of lemons, fish, and flowers. The famous Cucchiariello donkey is a local symbol you'll spot everywhere. Take home a piece of Vietri ceramics, a perfect souvenir of the coast. The town's joyful spirit and rich tradition make it unforgettable. Vietri is less crowded but full of authentic charm. It's a celebration of beauty, artistry, and life. The perfect, colorful finale to your Amalfi adventure. Let's recap our journey through the top 10 experiences on the Amalfi Coast. From Positano's cliffs to Vietri's ceramics, this place is a feast for the senses. Subscribe to discover the world.